Hey guys, in this video we're in chapter 4 on exponential and logarithmic functions, and we're in section 6 on exponential and logarithmic equations. And we're doing problem 19, which says use logarithms to solve -6 times e to the 9x plus 8 plus 2 equals -74. So first what we want to do is we want to isolate this e so we can perform a natural log on it. So we'll copy -6 e to the 9x plus 8, and we're going to swing this 2 over, so we'll subtract 2 from both sides, and we'll get -76. Next, we're going to divide both sides by this -6. So that will leave us with e to the 9x plus 8 equals -76 divided by 6. Next, we're going to take the natural log of both sides in order to undo this e here. So that will undo the e, and we'll have 9x plus 8 equals the natural log of -76 over 6. Sorry, that's not a negative. It's no longer a negative. Why is it no longer negative? Because we divided by a -6. So we're back to positive. So next step, we're going to swing the 8 over. So we'll have 9x equals the natural log of 76 over 6 minus 8. And then to solve for x, we'll divide the whole side by 9. So we have the natural log of 76 over 6 minus 8. And that whole thing divided by 9 is going to be our answer. And that's your answer. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts we covered in this video are true no matter what pre-calculus class you take. And the examples I cover are from this textbook right here. And remember, if you're a Baylor student currently enrolled, there is free tutoring on the first floor of Sidrich. You can create a one-on-one appointment online or drop in anytime during our business hours. Please visit our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring, for more details. Sic 'em Bears.